This is beautiful, guys. Watch and see these amazing hacks that you can use in order to solve some certain problems, most especially if you find yourself in this kind of problems. Like, look at the way he used this 2 spanner in order to get this job done. Now let's see how he's going to do this one. Now you can see he's trying to hold it, but due to the fact that the pipe at the top is not that long, he was unable to hold it. Now let's see how he's going to use it. By using 2 knots, look at how he was able to lose it perfectly. Wow, this is cool. This is cool. Now look at this one. Now he's trying to fix that golden metal to this iron, but let's see how he was able to get this right. Okay, wow, this is really smart. Wow, and he was able to fix it perfectly without any problem. This is beautiful. Now let's see what he's trying to make here. This one will surprise you, because I believe this one happens to be one of the most important ones that I've seen. Now look at the work of this one now. In case maybe if he's drilling concrete, instead of the dust to be pouring on his face, this container will be holding it. Now let's see how he's going to tie this hose. Like, this method is one of the most perfect methods that I've seen. Wow. Now look at how the hose held firmly to the pump. Now look at this one. This is beautiful. Now just watch. There is one thing that I want you guys to understand here. Like, look at what he's using this for. To unscrew a round pipe. Now do you know the work of this one? Just like a siphon, instead of you to use your mouth to draw it, you just use that simple. Wow, let's see what this guy is trying to do here. Wow, look at how he's going to fix it. Very simple. Wow, this is beautiful. Watch and see what he's going to use this one for. He wants to separate this tape into 2. Like, now look at how he was able to achieve this. Okay, let's see what he's going to do here. He's trying to do something. Wow, just to sharpen knife. So if you have this kind of machine at home and you have this sandpaper paper, then you can sharpen your knife with it. Let's see what this guy is trying to do here. Okay, this one is to clean iron. Wow,